I'd like to show you a ClinCheck modification that can help you finish your Invisalign treatments with more predictability. Here we see a lower arch. This was the start, and where we are now is right here. I'm going to put this, I'm already in modify mode. So you notice how the lower right lateral is slightly lingual, the lower right central is out on the distal. That, not surprising, that was one of the biggest areas of problem from the start. I do want to point out this is a case that has played out really nicely. If you look, it started out with an open bite and overjet, and we widened the arch and we proclined the lowers, and now we have a better bite and better alignment. But here's what I want to show you as the modification suggestion. So here we have the lower arch, and here's where it is, and here's where it is bringing it. So first of all, you can see that's not even a perfect alignment. I have to make that adjustment to rotate that lateral out. But even if I were to do that, or even maybe just move it slightly buckle, let me show you. So now that's looking better. But what I want to show you is the palatal of the lower right incisor and even the other central incisor as well. We do not need to have that buccal root torque. Currently, this is where we are. The root torque looks fine. Look at how the teeth line up at the cingulum. And so instead of this kind of a movement, what I will do instead is I will remove that buccal root torque. So I'm just eyeballing this and moving it back kind of to where it was. And now I have more of a, I call it an incisal edge forward movement, a tipping movement. And that little adjustment is going to make things much easier, because anytime you're doing a bodily movement or a root torquing movement, you're asking more of the aligners. And what looks bad about this, and if you noticed before, it looked okay too, but this looks perfect, and it is more of a lingual tipping movement of the crowns.